Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to get logged in into the Garena account. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a garena.com and press enter. At the official webpage of Garena, you can see the option of account on top right of the screen. You click on account. Here you will see the login form page where you need to provide a registered username, email or phone number and password. So going from the first, you need to provide either your username, email or phone number that is registered while creating a Garena account. Now you go in for providing your password. After you provide both the details, you click on login now. As you can see, I have been logged in into my Garena account. It's a simple process where you need to provide your registered email address, phone number or username, then password and click on login where you will get directly logged in into your Garena account. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to get signed in into the Garena account of yours. Thank you.